Hi. After doing a prayer to God, whichever God you believe in, after praying to God, would you like to know whether your prayer, God is actually listening to it or not? Hi, I am Preeti and I have been a spiritual coach. I have been a tarot reader since past 20 years, and in this video I would like to share with you some of my insights about how can you know whether your prayers, whether they are reaching God or not, right? Because that's the next most pressing question that anybody has after doing a heartfelt prayer. Okay, so in this video I will be discussing 10 different things that you will experience after praying, and these things will actually assure that your prayers are reaching God and your God is listening to your prayers. Okay, so for the reference, yes, for your reference I would like to share, I have listed down a few points here which I will be sharing. And yes, sometimes when I'm reading here and then I'm looking here, sometimes people feel that I'm reading from somewhere, and it's not that I'm reading from somewhere. I'm just trying to refer to my own points that I wrote like some time back. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, okay, so after you make a heartfelt prayer, first of all, you just feel very much peaceful inside. That is, what is going to that assures that God is listening to your prayer. The second thing is you forget when you exactly prayed. Yes, you forget exactly what your prayer was. Like, yes, you remember what you prayed about, but you don't remember the exact words that you used in order to make that prayer, and you just forget it. Okay, and which is totally fine. Okay, let me tell you, which is first of all totally fine. And yes, it's a part of the process that God is actually listening to you, so he actually gobbled up your words such that they are not your concern anymore, which is why you forget those words. Okay, so that's the second thing. The third thing I would like to say, your problem may or may not get solved, but you move on from the pain. So when does anybody pray? They pray when people are in pain. People pray when they are in need. So whether or not your problem gets solved or not, whatever you are praying for, whether that wish gets fulfilled, whether that thing gets you get the thing that you are asking for, it doesn't matter. But once you make the prayer, yes, the pain with which you are calling out to your God, that pain escapes, that pain actually heals. This is where, yes, that's also one more thing that assures that God is listening to your prayer. The next thing is, God is listening or watching over you. Yes, there is this very, very strong faith, very, very strong sense of knowingness that God is watching you, God is listening to you. Yeah, the next thing is, that God has your back. Okay, he has your back, he is there for you. That's like, it's just a sense of knowing. You just have faith, you just have trust that God is having your back. You don't doubt it even a bit. Okay, the next is, even if your prayer does go unanswered, you get empty after talking to God. Like, when you are going through some sort of problems, you just feel too much stress, you just feel too much shaken up inside, that you may feel the need to urge to pray repeatedly. Okay, and when you start praying, when everything inside you gets empty, you know yes, that is where you can be assured that God is listening to you. Because you see, like, when the source is giving out and the listener is listening, when the listener takes it all, whatever stress you had inside, it just gets empty. That is actually also a very big sign that God is listening to you, God is listening to your prayers. The next is, you may, okay, as I mentioned, even though if your prayer goes unanswered, even though what you are wishing for, it doesn't happen, still whatever your prayer was, it, yes, God hears it, and you can learn that from feeling that emptiness inside. The next is, you may get some energetic or materialistic nudges when you're constantly in touch with God. So this could be like anything constant, like, you may get some nudges like, um, let's say you are praying, constantly praying to God, and um, yes, you're praying to God, you're constantly in touch with God, you're constantly wondering whether your wishes are going to get fulfilled or not, and all of a sudden maybe you just hear the church bell, or you just hear you just hear somebody say god bless you or something like that. Okay, even if it's not like in the term of church bells or god bless you, not in those terms, just something happens and you feel that that is just a nudge from your god. Okay, that, and your current problem you're facing gets a step ahead solution. So it could be that you are praying for something that is 10 years ahead of time. It's not currently like you needed that thing currently. It's like a futuristic problem you're praying for, and then your present problem, it just goes one step ahead. Like you're currently suffering from something, you currently are having some problems, and you forget to pray about them, but you pray about something unrealistic, and the present problem that you had, it just gets solved like one by one step. It could not be that thing gets entirely solved, but it's just solving one step further. Okay, so that is also a nudge, that is also a sign that god is listening to you. Okay, if answer to your prayer is no, okay, let's say if your answer to your prayer is no, he gives you enough clues. He gives you enough clues why he didn't give you what you wanted. So let's say like you're praying right now, and the answer is no, that you will discover in the coming days. But you will discover in a way that you will just feel that it's okay, that that didn't work out. My prayer was not accepted. You will actually feel peace, and you will actually feel contented even though what you wanted did not work out. And the next thing is he directs you in a different direction. If your time isn't needed on what you're focusing, okay, so you could be focusing on something, you could be praying about something, but it is that at present your focus, your abilities, your strengths are needed in some other direction. And and like it automatically goes in a different direction, and you may just realize, oh my gosh, I did not even notice this. That is also, when prayers are, god is listening to your prayers, but he knows that what is important for you at the moment. So he just makes you direct towards your present area of focus, rather than just making you dwell onto something that may not be even needed in future. Okay, so yeah, so this is it, 10 different signs that god is listening to your prayers. So let me know in the comments, whether this makes any sense to you, and have you experienced any of this happening in your life. Okay, that is it for today's video. Until next time, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are interested in joining my 15-day tarot class, you are most welcome. You are more than welcome to join my tarot class. I have my cell phone number listed. Make sure that you WhatsApp me if you are interested in registering the class. I will send you all the details there. Okay, that is it. Until next time, bye bye.